The victim was minding his business sitting at a bus stop Sunday morning. Then a truck veered off the road and killed him.
It's crashes like this that we're talking about that is motivating some safety advocates to wonder if more measures are needed at stops around the valley. The crash happened near Pecos and Washington, and that's where we find Hector Mejia live this morning with some of the ideas being considered. Good morning, Hector.
Good morning. From installing bollards to moving around some bus stops, as you mentioned, some safety advocates believe a few more measures could help prevent what happened here on Sunday. Anyone sitting here at this bus stop is only just about 4 feet away from the roadway, and it's here where police say a man driving a pickup truck hit and killed another man who was just waiting. The driver, 46-year-old Rigoberto Flores Tovar, is in jail accused of driving drunk and hitting the bus stop Sunday morning. It's not an RTC-owned bus stop, but there are plans to change it. It's on the list to request for right-of-way. Advocates say although the driver is ultimately the one responsible, maybe some changes could have made a difference.
It's an older bus stop in Las Vegas, and I know that because of its location. It's on a narrower sidewalk, and it has not been moved back. Had the bus shelter been here, the car would have missed it.
RTC says they're in the process of reaching out to the property owner. There are 1,600 bus stops with shelters. RTC has moved back 1,200 of them, and this bus stop falls under Commissioner Lawrence Weekly's ward. He talked to us about his idea to install bollards. We'll have more on that ahead at 5:30. Reporting live, Hector Mejia, 8 News Now.